3, 2, 1.
The ending of what Steven Spielberg movie takes place at Devil's Tower? The answer is A. Close Encounters of the Third Kind. What is defined as a saturated layer of rock or soil? The answer is A. Aquifer. Which glands sit atop the kidneys and are composed of an outer cortex and an inner medulla, all surrounded by a connective tissue capsule? The answer is D. Adrenal. What vegetable is often green, long, and curved? The answer is B. Zucchini. Which instrument has a keyboard for controlling sound but no keyboard for playing notes? The answer is B. Synthesizer. Capital of France is? The answer is D. Paris. Who wrote Metaphysics but not Physics? The answer is A. Aristotle. Which of these is a type of polymer? The answer is D. Polyethylene. The total number of sides in a regular dodecahedron is? The answer is A. 10. What is the Pink Panther from the 2006 comedy movie The Pink Panther? The answer is B. A pink diamond. Most of the energy used by living things comes either directly or indirectly from what? The answer is A. The sun. Which form of energy can travel through a vacuum? The answer is B. Solar. What have cell surface antigen receptors for foreign molecules? The answer is D. Lymphocytes. In 1968, George W. Bush obtained a bachelor's degree in history from which university? The answer is B. Yale University. What is friction that acts on objects that are moving through a fluid? The answer is D. Fluid friction. What is the capital city of South Korea? The answer is D. Seoul. Which president was a patent holder for an oyster shucking device? The answer is B. Thomas Jefferson. What is the smallest particle that still retains integer electric charge? The answer is C. Electron. Which country was the last to abolish slavery? The answer is D. Mauritania. Which city is known as the cradle of Renaissance? The answer is C, Florence. What is the main function of the cell wall in a plant cell? The answer is B, to give structural support. What tool cuts through hard materials like metal and stone? The answer is C, drill. Which author wrote Madamus Alfifi? The answer is B, Guy de Maupassant. Which country has the smallest population? The answer is A, Vatican City. Which search engine was first launched in 1998? The answer is C, Bing. In what city is the movie Fatal Attraction set? The answer is D, New York. Which company developed the graphical web browser Netscape Navigator? The answer is D, Netscape. In 3 of these countries, corruption is widely spread. Which is the odd country? The answer is B, Iceland. Which hormone controls growth and development in animals? The answer is D, growth hormone. About how long does it take for Earth to make one revolution around the Sun? The answer is D, 1 year. If you put wine from a jug into a thin bottle, how come it conforms? The answer is D, it is a variable substance. Which molecule is the primary transmitter of nerve impulses in humans? The answer is D, acetylcholine. What is the most common cause of lung cancer? The answer is A, tobacco smoke exposure. Which of these animals is featured on the national coat of arms of Iceland as a protector of the island? The answer is B, bull. Which scientist discovered the law of conservation of energy? The answer is C, James Clerk Maxwell. When do hammerhead sharks usually hunt? The answer is B, at night. What name is used to refer to the scorpion species also known as Omdurman scorpion and Israeli desert scorpion? The answer is B, Deathstalker. What is the wife of Hades in Greek mythology? The answer is B, Persephone. What is the study of plant and animal diseases called? The answer is D. Virology. What is the largest sculpture in the world? The answer is D. Liberty enlightening the world. What are unsaturated hydrocarbons with at least one double bond between carbon atoms called? The answer is C. Alkenes. On which mountain did Moses receive the Ten Commandments? The answer is A. Sinai. Which component converts mechanical energy into electrical energy? The answer is A. Generator. What is the name of the capital and largest city of Venezuela? The answer is C. Caracas. The Very Large Array VLA is a radio astronomy observatory located on the plains of San Augustine, USA, consisting of what number of separate radio antennae? The answer is C. 27. What is a hammer usually made of? The answer is C. Steel. What instrument did Louis Armstrong often play in jazz music? The answer is A. Trumpet. Who plays the role of Don Draper in Mad Men? The answer is A. John Hamm. What is the term for the blockage of an artery by the buildup of fatty plaques? The answer is D. Atherosclerosis. Larb is a dish that is most associated with which part of the world?